Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you the daily code for the game TREZ Tapper. Today being August 30th, 2024. It's been around for a while now and seems quite interesting. There are literally challenges you can do every day. Challenges you can do. Some you win some and you lose some. It's very easy, interesting, and you tap to be part of the airdrop. Now let's go to the code for the day. The code for the day is MEV, which is to get today you just tap the daily code. The daily code for today is MEV, MEV. So to get that here, you just tap the mouse code dash get out of coins. I just want to finish talking so I can go to the vote. You see, the vote has a red indicator there telling me that I have coins left to store. So 1.2 million coins. I think I've taken the daily reward already. Yeah. So that is all for the game. It's quite easy. You want to join, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.